You can geo-target multiple countries with Proxyrack proxies by making a change to your username wherever you have configured your proxies. So that could be in code, it could be in an application, it could be in your browser. Basically, just wherever you are asked for your username, that is where you would make the change to your username in order to geo-target multiple countries. So let me show you an example of this. And so we'll need our username first. You can see this is the username. This is our API key. I already have these in a text file over here, so I can show you an example. And so what we need to do is make a change to our username here. So in order to geo-target multiple countries, we need to use the semicolon syntax. If you had been using the dash syntax before, that cannot be used to geo-target multiple countries at one time. So we need to switch to the semicolon syntax. So we go semicolon, country, equals, and then after the equal sign, you just add as many two-letter country codes as you would like to geo-target. So for example, we can say US, we can say MX for Mexico, we could say GB for the UK, and let's keep it at that right now. But you can continue to add more by just separating each of the two-letter country codes with a comma afterwards. You can add as many as you like. And then if you've watched the other guides on geo-targeting, you'll know that if we use this semicolon syntax, we have to put quotation marks around our username and password here in order for this to work properly. So you can just take this whole thing and you insert it wherever it asks for your username and password, again in your code, in a program, in your browser, wherever it may be, and then the server will know that you want to connect to IPs in the US, Mexico, or Great Britain, or whatever other countries that you add here. And again, we can do this in our dashboard as well if you want to export a list with these. So we already have the host and the port here. We can add our username and our password as well to this list. And then we can come in and modify it. So we can say semicolon country equals US, MX, GB. And then just throw some quotation marks around these. And there you go. You can see that it's already populated a list for you. You can copy out a list of all of your proxies here. You can download a list and that will go into the application or program, whatever you need it for. You can directly put this list straight into there.